subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching LG W10 and W30 back in June 2019, now the company seems to launch another W series smartphone which is set to call LG W20. Recently, the LG W20 was spotted on Google Play Console website, which was reported by 91 Mobiles. The listing reveals the first front look of the smartphone along with some key specifications. Judging by the leak image, the LG W20 looks to have a water drop notch style display with thick chin at the bottom. And unfortunately, there is no rear side image of the phone, so we cannot assume whether the device will have dual or triple rear camera setup. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge. Talking about the specifications, the LG W20 is reported to support HD+ resolution display, but the screen size is not mentioned. The device is said to come powered by Spreadtrum SC98638 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8322 GPU. The smartphone will run on Android 9 Pie and it will pack with 3GB of RAM. Apart from this, there is no other details of LG W20 has leaked so far. Now, talking about the pricing and release date. As the LG W20 has listed on Google Play Console website, that means the smartphone will launch soon in the coming days. And depending upon the specs, we can expect the handset to price in between 7 to 8,000 in India. So, as of now, that's all we know about the LG W20 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.